Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a animation background in your Android app. Let's start this video. Here I have created the new application. Here we will get the constraint layout. Now add the ID to this layout. Specify it as a layout. Now create a text view here. Specify width as a wrap content, height as a wrap content. Text as hello world. Text size as 30 dp. Text color as black. Now we have to create the gradients. Go into drawable folder and create the drawable resource files and name it as a gradient1. Now change selector into shape. Create here a gradient. Specify angle as 45 degree. Then end color. Specify as a red. Then start color as black. Same procedure we have to do for other two gradients. Here we create a gradient 2. Change here a shape. Here we have to change the color to the green. And here orange. Now we will create the gradient 3. Change here to purple. And here orange. Now we create another drawable file and name it as a gradient list. Now change selector into animation list. Now we have to create items here. Set duration for 5000 means 5 seconds. Now copy this one and paste 2 times for other two gradients. Now go into your main activity.java file. First of all, specify here as a background as gradient list. Now go into main activity.java. Here we will change the text color to white. Inside main activity.java, create constraint layout, variable constraint layout, find view by id, then animation drawable, constraint layout dot get background, animation drawable dot set enter, fade duration 2000, animation drawable dot set exit, fade duration to 4000, means 4 seconds, animation drawable dot start. Here we have finished completing our code. Now we will run the app and see the output. Here our app has been successfully created. Now the gradient will be changing. Here you can see that the color of the gradient has been changed. We can also remove this action bar so that it would look better. Change it to no action bar and run our app again. Here now it is looking better. Here we have created the background animation in your app. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further video updates. Thank you.